Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be installing this Zagg screen protector. Supposed to be one of the best screen protectors on the market, onto my new Pixel 7. You'll find instructions how to easily apply this screen protector to your phone in the package. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is take the phone and set it in this case that came in the Zagg box. It has top here. So set the phone in there, then clean the lens, then dry it. If you think you have any dust or something on your lens, even after you use this, you use this to pull up, you peel that off, to tack it on there and pick up any dust or hair or lint or anything like that. Next, you take the Zagg screen protector out of its protective sleeve. This is a shield you peel off. Peel this layer off first. Avoid touching the adhesive. So you take this and you peel this back, and it only fits one way. The cutout goes around your camera on the front. So now it's down and in place. Once you have this down like this, you want to use the edge of this to make sure that your screen protector is down on the lens and push out any air that tries to get behind that. Some people use a credit card, some people use a special scraper, but you want to smooth that out, trying to get all of the air out from under the screen protector. And once it's down in a good position, then you peel up this final layer here. This is the final protective layer, but this really helps you get that thing perfectly aligned. And wham, your screen protector is now on, installed, bubble free, and this is a really durable screen protector to protect your glass from getting scratched or damaged. That's all it takes. Should be good to go. Now you just take your phone out of this screen protector guide holder, and in our next video, we're going to install the case that we got. Just a quick update on this Zagg screen protector. The first day I soloed the phone, decided, hey, this is the phone I'm going to use all day long, do my recording and everything. I took the phone out, put it in my pocket, had my pocket knife in my pocket, and I must have leaned on something or something, because I actually cracked the screen protector already. First day soloing it out. Pulled the phone out of my pocket. I looked at it. I seen that line over there by the number 1. Up, you can see it going up there. I thought it was maybe just a scuff. I scratched it with my fingernail. I could feel it was a line crack. I looked up in the corner, and there you see 2 impact strikes on it. So within 24 hours of using this phone solo, I cracked the screen protector. And if I didn't have this screen protector on here, I probably would have cracked the display on the phone. So I'm going to remove the screen protector. That's $45 down the drain. And I'm going to use the one that came with my Urbanite case that I have the phone in, and see how long that one lasts. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.